I've been here 19 years, and I wanted to work in a company that we did American products.
I've been here 30.5 years. They treat you like a part of the family.
Obviously, we've done the work over the years to make this something that helps out a lot of people.
Our real story is that little silver knife is the knife my grandma used to use. And we don't use that phrase, but our customers use that phrase. And those are the kinds of things that our culture relates to, I think, and our employees relate to. And there's that sense of pride that goes with it.
Everybody's a part of a team, but yet what their individual task is all about, you know, everybody's got to take care of their role in the show in order to make it all work. And that is everybody from the front office to the packing room to the manufacturing environment. A typical knife is touched by 13 different hands throughout the manufacturing process.
My name's Andrea Hansen, and I'm a belter. I've been here 19 years. American made means a lot to me because we're keeping it in America, where we all stick together.
Sure, we're American made, but we really do live that. Our goal is not to be the biggest, but it is to be the best at what we do, and we feel that we're there. You've been here 31 years now. Dwight has been with us. Dwight is also an avid hunter, so he has a good eye for this type of thing, which is important in making sure that the first step of creating a knife, there are no defects in it.
I'm Clark Speedy. I've been here for over 31 years. I do the blade form operation here. It's just steady work. I have a little bit of freedom to do things the way I want to do them, you know, within reason, of course. And it's just, we've got good benefits. We've got good people to work with.
Over here is our hollow grinding area, and over here in the hollow grind area, what is it that you're mainly looking for?
I'm trying to keep the hollow grind at 6,000 and trying to keep everything looking good.
I'm Susan Rattler. I'm a caster. I've been here 30.5 years. I've done that job probably 99% of the time I've been here, and I like it. Never had a desire really to go anywhere else to work. It's very friendly. There's a lot of close relationships between the people, and you know, I've watched people here get married, have children, have grandchildren. You know, we've just kind of worked our way through it all, and there's a lot of relationships outside of work. People go and do things together, families do things together, and so you're not a number.
Once we come into this room from our hollow grind area is our casting room, and this is quite a fascinating area. What Tim is doing is, this is one of our super pairs that he's casting, and again, he does them each individually, one at a time. And Tim, how many of these do you think you'll cast today?
1,900.
Okay, so about 1,900 of these will come off of the casting area today, and he may cast these for multiple period of time, and then a couple days from now he'll move on to another product.
Marlene Miller. I'm in the packing and shipping area. I've been here 22 years and 3 months. Rada speaks for itself. The knives, you know, everything speaks for itself. It sells itself, it really does. They're for fundraising. They're thinking about the customer. I mean, they're giving them a chance to purchase a good product and resell it for a profit, but they're also looking out for us too. Quite a lot of us have been here for many, many years, so we take pride in being in here and working and making sure we have a good product going out the door. We care about that. I mean, everybody out there must like Rada because we sure have a lot of customers.
And this is where Marlene is taking the individual order, estimating the size box that it's going to take to package it and get it ready for the customer. She double checks that she's got all the product for that order in the box, slaps the label on the package, and once she is finished with that, she'll slide it onto the conveyor, and off it will go to the postage station to get finished taped, and postage put on it and put on the mail cart ready for UPS, parcel post, or FedEx to come get the package.
You know, fundraisers kind of get a bad rap in that a lot of fundraising companies just buy in product and they mark it up, and they have middlemen out there in the field and they mark it up, and Rada is the exact opposite. There's only, it's only us and the fundraising group, and so there's no multiple markups, and so the supporters get an absolutely fabulous value, so they're happy to support the cause, and the group has an easy time selling it because it is a good product at a great price.
The marketing process that we established with fundraisers was just something that worked. It fit what we were trying to do. We've been successful for over 65 years, mainly because the mission that our customers are trying to accomplish are all worthy causes that give us a lot of satisfaction. Brenda here is one of our customer service staff members, and what Brenda's doing right now is readying advertising for inquiries that maybe call or write in. These are dailies that she's doing right at the moment. And so these are catalogs that will go out in the orders as we ship them.
I'm Linda Hankus. I'm the customer service manager. I've been here 44 years. I oversee the office and all the orders and the customers, make sure that the customers are taken care of. The fundraisers are kind of what keeps us going, but yet we need all the individual sellers as well. And we need all the divisions that keep us going. And we've heard so many good things from our customers, good comments, they just love our products. And of course they like it that it's American made. That's a huge plus. And so you like to hear all those things too. That makes us feel good about what we do here.
Diane Buss, and I'm in customer service. A Rada customer is a very nice person. They either sell our product as a fundraiser or again as a reseller. We have many stories to tell, and that's the nice part about Rada. We can find those things out on the phone, and we're not limited to a time.
All of our employees at Rada Manufacturing get the idea that our future is based on our customer success. So we strive every day to make sure that our customers are successful, and that is with quality products, that's with fast service. It's everything throughout the whole process.
I'm a firm believer in that the upper Midwest farming background work ethic is something that really resonates with our employees. Do a lot of things that are very, what I would call family oriented, and that creates that culture that sure, I work in a factory, but it's a factory that cares about us and makes sure that we're taken care of. All the little pieces to the puzzle that kind of made America what it is today, that is who we are.
We hold ourselves to a pretty high standard.
Everybody's nice here, and it's really a really good place to work.
The Rada family means everything.